Let's go ahead and do a review of Simpliworks, which is one-click Amazon campaign builder that helps you launch agency-level PPC campaigns on autopilot. It's alternative to Perpetua.ai and Helium 10 and would be best fit for Amazon sellers, marketers, and agencies that want to scale advertising without adding additional overhead. Before getting into the full review, and I gotta say that it's a pretty promising tool, so let's go ahead and do a deep dive into Simpliworks and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $89 one-time payment, and for $89 you'll get unlimited monthly ad spend, unlimited variations, 1 stores, to product families, 1 users. I will leave a link in the description below. You can check it out. Simpliworks is a one-click Amazon campaign builder that helps you launch agency-level PPC campaigns on autopilot. Simpliworks can deploy one-click Amazon PPC campaigns on the Amazon Ad Console. No past campaign data or experience required. Copy and paste product ASIN inputs or unique identifiers into the system to automatically add them. You can use the PPC campaign launcher to run highly effective search advertising campaigns with the click of a button. Forget day-to-day campaign management. Just let the tool dynamically optimize bids, harvest winning keywords, and negate losing keywords. Launching a campaign is a breeze. Simpliworks can generate one-click campaigns in 3 phases: swarm campaigns, exploration, as well as ongoing campaigns and defense. Using swarm campaigns, the tool can analyze loads of keywords and identify which ones will generate the best results for your campaigns. At the always-on exploration phase, you'll uncover lower-cost, high-opportunity keywords that are hyper-relevant to your product. Take advantage of the ongoing campaigns and defense features to discover high-performing keywords and defend your organic rankings against competitors. The platform can manage and optimize bids for Amazon PPC campaigns to maximize return on ad spend, ROAS. Specify your advertising budget and automatically allocate ad spend across various campaigns based on performance. You can utilize a variety of keyword lengths and targeting methods to find the optimal advertising mix that will get the most conversions. And if you have multiple Amazon accounts or stores, you'll be able to manage all campaigns from the same dashboard using your Simpliworks account. No need to export spreadsheets and manipulate the data to understand the performance of a specific product. The Simpliworks dashboard aggregates campaign performance on a product level and provides an overview of the most important metrics. Filter data by time period and monitor how campaign performance changes over time, so you know which products to promote and which ones to pause. You'll also be able to view active keyword targets and their associated bid price without lifting a finger. And you can export all your campaign data as a CSV to improve your listings and SEO performance. Running Amazon search campaigns on autopilot will make you want to automate literally everything else. With Simpliworks, you can deploy one-click PPC campaigns on Amazon, dynamically optimize bids, and boost sales without any extra work. Build your Amazon empire. I hope you like this review. I will leave link in the below to check out this product. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next video.